Musclecars Universe. Welcome everyone to Musclecars Universe. What a privilege bringing you another absolute mental build on this channel. I present to you Pro 69R, a well-known 8-second car with true New Zealand drag racing status and real heritage under its belt, in this new ProStreet configuration that is now being offered for sale. A total awakening of the senses for both eyes and ears, as I'm sure you'll appreciate later on in this video. The 69 Camaro RS started its life as a factory 396 Big Block, ending up with pretty much everything custom built or replaced from original. A refined and high-strung drag street car that I honestly wasn't expecting it to be so direct and brutal in delivering power and torque to the ground. First, let's start with the powertrain. Here's the monolithic and polished 540 cubic inch motor, packing an aluminium block, aluminium Brodix heads, Braswell 650 lightweight carbs, TBS blower with 8mm billet drive, MSD ignition, electric water pump, Wilwood disc brakes with Wilwood master brake cylinder, AccuSump oil accumulator system, and then in the boot we have a nitrous kit, dedicated fuel cell with pickup pump and main pump, while the power gets delivered through a TH400 transmission with 2500 horsepower sprag, 12-bolt diff with LSD, 33 spline axles and 411 gears, 3.5-inch exhaust system with new mufflers and whole rear tub. But let's have a look at interiors now, which are even more special. We start with the main Detroit Speed dashboard, completely dominated by gauges, shift light, push button start and more switches, and then the B&M shifter with trans brake switch, the Race Pro seats with 5-point harness, 6-point roll cage with removable side intrusion bars, aluminium fully tubbed rear, fire extinguisher and many more features. Altogether, a totally uncompromising street car, ready to tackle the drag strip at any given chance. But let's jump on board now for the moment you were all waiting for, the road test review. again.
Yeah.
Hey, puts a smile on your face.
Yeah.
Super cool. Yeah. Works perfectly. Is he rubbing?
No, that's the gears on the top.
Oh, the gears.
Yeah. Wheels are driving the motor. You see? See, I've put on it now. It goes away.
Goes away. Just on
Yeah.
when you let off.
Yeah, it's the gears, how they built. You see? Yeah.
Alright.
So this big limo coming.
Yeah. What an overwhelming experience getting to ride in this ProStreet 69 Camaro RS. An experience that a fortunate new owner will be able to feel, as this car is now offered for sale at a very competitive price. This car is currently located in Auckland, New Zealand, with the option of shipping overseas through Musclecars Universe strategic partnership with an international shipping company. Inquire now to secure this fantastic opportunity while it's still available. All contact details in the description below. And here's the full gallery for your viewing pleasure. I'll see you in the next videos, guys. Bye bye.